What's the meaning of contentment? Contentment. Contentment.
Contentment. Contentment. Contentment refers to a state of satisfaction or happiness with one's present situation, without an excessive desire for more or different things. It is the feeling of being at peace with oneself and one's surroundings, and accepting what one has rather than constantly striving for more. When a person is content, they are generally more relaxed, less anxious, and more appreciative of the good things in their lives. Contentment is not necessarily linked to material wealth or success, but rather is a state of mind that can be cultivated through gratitude, mindfulness, and self-reflection.